Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over a night vision effect. This effect can work on VHS film or 4K HD film or 8K, any resolution that you're working with. This filter can accomplish the night vision effect. As you can see on screen here is our website where we have plenty of plugins. Some are free, some you have to pay for, but just go check that out. It will definitely help your workflow in Final Cut Pro. Now let's get straight on into the video for today. We're going to use two clips to show you how they differ. I'm going to show you how to use the night vision effect on VHS film and how it looks on actual regular 4K and HD film. Just to show you that you can use this on both kind of scenes. If you want to use a VHS, you can use it with this plugin. If you want to use a regular 4K HD, you can use it as well. Okay, so for our first clip, we have Don Tyler right here. This is good VHS footage. So what we're gonna do is, I'm also gonna leave this link in the description. It is a plugin available on our website. And when you download it, it will be in the Effects tab under B3 Studios plugins. And it's right here, Night Vision Enhanced right here. So it's just a simple drag and drop preset. It looks really good on vintage footage if it's already vintage, and then you want to just go ahead and make it that night vision filter just like we displayed here. So just simply drag it and drop it on the footage. And as you can see, it looks really good. It's really good. You can make adjustments as well for the camera type, the viewpoint. We're gonna leave it at framing. We can adjust the position of the circle. If you want to put it left or right, you can actually keyframe it if you want to as well. The scale of the circle. So you can actually do a lot with this filter. That looks really good. It's really an authentic night vision look. It has the grain, it has, you know, the green tint, just like all the night vision effects do. You can change the brightness, the glow. So it's really just up to you, however you want to, you know, go about this. But yeah, that's the first clip, and that is VHS film. So I gave you a preview of how it would look on a VHS film. Now let's look at how it would look on regular HD footage. Okay, so we have our footage here, just regular HD footage of Don Toliver. No VHS this time. But we can still apply the night vision enhanced filter onto our regular 4K HD footage. So as we do that, you can see it already goes to that kind of vintage look that we want. That looks incredible. And this is just a great plugin that'll work on any type of, you know, footage, VHS or not. And it's just a simple drag and drop. Then you can make adjustments with the presets, the glow, the brightness. Yeah, so this is an awesome plugin. I will leave the link in the description. This is a quick video today to help you guys out on your video editing journey. If this video helped you out, please like and consider subscribing, because we will be coming out with more plugins, more tips and tricks for Final Cut Pro. Make sure you go check out the website to see any plugins that you can use to increase your workflow and make things easier for you. Like I said, I appreciate you guys, and I look forward to your comments, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you.